If you've ever walked past the luxurious first class or business class cabin thinking, how do people score these upgrades? Then today's your lucky day. In this video, we're revealing the ultimate secrets and hacks for a flight upgrade. Yes, even if you're flying economy. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just heading out on a rare vacation, these tips could land you in a better seat without the hefty price tag. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for weekly travel tips. And let's dive right into the sky-high secrets airlines don't want you to know. 1. Join frequent flyer programs. The first and most fundamental hack: loyalty matters. Even if you don't fly often, sign up for frequent flyer programs with the airlines you use. Why? Because upgrades often go to passengers who are already in their loyalty system, even if they don't have many miles. And it's not just about accumulating points. Being in the system makes it easier for agents to prioritize you when there's a seat available up front. Pro tip: sign up for alliances like Star Alliance, Oneworld, or SkyTeam, so your flights on partner airlines count too. 2. Book directly with the airline. When you book through third-party sites, your options for perks and upgrades shrink dramatically. Booking directly with the airline gives you more visibility, control, and sometimes access to discounted upgrade offers before check-in. Many airlines now offer upgrade bidding to those who book direct, giving you the chance to bid on business class for cheap. Also, direct bookings are easier to manage if there are delays or rebookings. Airline reps often prioritize their direct customers. 3. Choose the right flights. If you're hunting for a free upgrade, timing is everything. Aim for flights with low occupancy in business or first class, but high demand in economy. This is especially common during holidays or business-heavy weekdays. Avoid red-eyes and super early morning flights. They often have fewer business travelers, making upgrades less likely. Also, consider midweek travel. Tuesday and Wednesday flights tend to be quieter, and that sometimes creates opportunities. 4. Travel alone. Going solo boosts your upgrade odds. It's easier to move a single passenger into business class than to reshuffle a family or a couple. If there's one seat open, the airline wants to fill it easily and discreetly. And if you're traveling with others but still hoping for that upgrade, consider checking in separately or politely asking if one of you can be upgraded due to special circumstances. More on that next. 5. Mention special occasions. Let the airline know if you're celebrating something, a honeymoon, anniversary, or birthday. It's not a guarantee, but some airline staff love creating magical moments. Be humble, not demanding. Say something like, "Today's my 10-year anniversary and we're heading to Bali. Just wondering if there might be any chance for an upgrade. It would mean the world." Genuine emotion goes further than entitlement. 6. Dress the part. Appearances matter, especially when you're eyeing a business class seat. That doesn't mean a tuxedo, but smart casual is key. Think clean, neat, professional. Airlines don't want someone wearing flip-flops and a stained hoodie in the premium cabin. Your goal is to look like you belong without trying too hard. Remember, airline crew are trained to assess passengers quickly. 7. Arrive early or super late. Both extremes can help, depending on the airline and situation. Early birds get access to better seat inventory before it's locked down. Sometimes airlines assign upgrades hours before the flight. Latecomers, especially when economy is overbooked, may get bumped up last minute to accommodate all passengers. If economy is full but premium has space, they'll move someone up. Why not you? 8. Ask, but do it right. You'd be surprised how many people never ask. At the check-in desk or the gate, smile and say, "Hi, I was wondering if there are any available upgrades today?" Politeness is crucial. Don't push or expect. Instead, be charming and flexible. Offering to volunteer your seat in case of overbooking can also open doors. Airlines love helpful passengers. 9. Use miles or points strategically. Many travelers hoard points for free flights, but using them for upgrades often delivers more value. If you're flying long haul, a one-way business upgrade can be a better use of miles than a short domestic round trip. Also, consider co-branded credit cards that give upgrade credits or instant elite status. This can fast-track your way into better cabins. 10. Look for promo upgrades. Some airlines email you upgrade offers before departure, often at a steep discount. Others offer bidding upgrades, where you choose what you're willing to pay and cross your fingers. Examples: Emirates, Lufthansa, and Air Canada all run upgrade auctions. Even if you lose, it costs nothing to try. Just keep an eye on your email after booking. 11. Volunteer for rebooking. If a flight is overbooked, airlines seek volunteers to take the next flight. Offer to switch flights, politely, and ask if an upgrade could be part of the deal. You'd be amazed how often they say yes, especially if they're scrambling to find solutions. This works best if you have flexible travel plans and a positive attitude. 12. Be nice to staff, always. Gate agents and flight attendants have more power than you think. They remember polite passengers, and they definitely remember rude ones. Warm, "Thank you for your help today," or "You guys are doing great," might go a long way. Sometimes the decision to upgrade is made on the spot, and kindness pays off. 13. Use flight disruptions to your advantage. Got a delayed or canceled flight? It's frustrating, but also a rare upgrade opportunity. When rebooking, calmly request a seat in premium as a goodwill gesture. Mention that you were inconvenienced and see if they can do something special. In chaos, polite passengers often get surprising perks. 14. Check in strategically. The online check-in window is your playground. Check in exactly when it opens, usually 24 or 48 hours before the flight. Some airlines assign upgrades automatically during that period to fill premium cabins early. Being in the queue first increases your chance of getting flagged. Also at this stage, some airlines offer discount upgrades. Take them if they're good value. 15. Upgrade on the plane. It's rare, but it happens. Once the plane doors close, some unsold premium seats remain empty. If the flight attendant is in a good mood and you've been pleasant, you can sometimes request to move, especially if your seat is broken or you're near a crying baby. Say something like, "I don't want to be a bother, but if there's any chance of moving to a quieter spot, I'd be very grateful." They might just move you forward. 16. Know the right airlines. Some airlines are more generous than others with upgrades. For example, Emirates, Qatar, and Singapore Airlines offer great value when using points. Air France, Lufthansa, and ANA have been known to upgrade loyal passengers, even without status. Delta and Alaska Airlines are upgrade-friendly for members. United and American prioritize elite members and credit card holders. Do your homework and fly with airlines that reward loyalty and flexibility. 17. Use travel agents or concierge services. If you have access to a corporate travel account, luxury concierge, or Amex Platinum, use it. They often have hidden upgrade access or can flag your reservation for special treatment. Some premium cards also offer airline credits, priority boarding, or lounge access, small perks that stack up. 18. Book Y-Up fares. This is an insider secret. Some full-fare economy tickets, called Y-Up fares, automatically qualify for an upgrade to business. They cost more than regular economy, but far less than booking business outright. Search for these fares on platforms like Expert Flyer, or call the airline to ask about instant upgradable fares. It's a secret shortcut to fly fancy without paying full price. 19. Be ready to pay a little. Sometimes the best upgrade is, well, a paid one. But it doesn't have to break the bank. Check upgrade prices at every step: booking, check-in, gate, and even on board. You'd be surprised how cheap a last-minute business seat can be, especially on long-haul flights. A $1,500 seat may drop to $200 at the gate if it's still empty. 20. Know that luck plays a role. Last but not least, tempered expectations. Even with all the hacks in the world, flight upgrades are never guaranteed. But the good news is, you've just increased your chances dramatically by knowing these tips. And remember, upgrades aren't just about luxury. They're about comfort, flexibility, and occasionally a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks every week. Tell us in the comments, have you ever scored an upgrade? What worked for you? Until next time, safe travels, and may your next flight be just a little more luxurious.